Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I am going to show you how to make real money with ChatGPT. Even if you have zero skills, you don't need to be a tech wizard, you don't need to be a writer. You just need your phone or your laptop in ChatGPT. So let's dive in. So what is ChatGPT and why it can help you earn money? So if you haven't heard of it, ChatGPT is just an AI tool that can write, brainstorm, research, and even do creative tasks for you. So it's like having a personal assistant for free. So people are already using it to make money online. So let me show you how to. So here, remember I'm using ChatGPT 4 the one that you subscribe. There's a free version of it. So you can still look for it and it will help you do that. So method number one, you can use ChatGPT to sell generated content. Like, for example, the first method is very simple. Sell written content by ChatGPT. You don't need to be a content writer or a creator. Just ask ChatGPT to do it for you. And here is the prompt that I want you to use. So I will post here the prompt like this. So like write a 5-word blog post about the benefits of drinking green tea, make it friendly and tea optimized. Then now this content you can uh, make it, you can even take it an offer on this content on the Fiverr, Upwork, or Facebook groups and all that, as a blog writer, as a content creator, and as also for Facebook groups and all that. So look at that. Why you should start drinking tea and all that. It's giving you everything. So you can take this content and upload it on your Upwork, then start earning from it. You can even do Instagram captions, product descriptions, or YouTube scripts, all with ChatGPT. Second, number two, or the method number two is you start a faceless YouTube channel. This is very easy. You don't need to show your face when you're doing YouTube channels and all that. So the second method is just do faceless YouTube channels. And here's what you do: ask ChatGPT to write your script. Use AI voices like, for example, 11 Labs or TTS MP3. Add visuals using Pixels or Canvas. Edit in CapCut or Canva, or use Clipchamp to do that, then upload your YouTube and monetize your YouTube and start earning that money from your channels. So use this prompt to do that. So write a 3 minutes YouTube script titled this and that. It will go ahead and write the script for you. Then you repeat this weekly, then boom, you have a passive income flowing from your YouTube channel. So make sure you just give it like 3 to 5 videos a week. Every week, just put there the faceless videos. Just, let's say for example you're working in a niche on how to use things like, for example, how to fix your laptop, how to install Windows 10, how to do that. ChatGPT will help you to write those scripts for you, and you just go through and read through that. Look at this. Hey there, future millionaire, looking to make extra cash in 2025 without quitting your day job? Today, we are counting down to top 5 side hustles for 2025 that anyone can start. No fancy degree, no big investment, just hustle. So let's dive in. So you look at that. So it has given you the 5 hustles for 2025 and all that. So you can just read through that script, then you make your video within the shortest time possible. So ChatGPT can do that for you just nicely, and you can go ahead and now sell those content to different places. Make Instagram, Facebook, all the social media that you have. ChatGPT will help you to run them, and it will give you ideas on a daily basis. Just give it the right prompts the way I've shown you, and that is it. That's another way of making sure that you have a passive income flowing. So you don't need to have skills or writing anything or copy anything. Just copy and paste and sell the prompts to different places. And if you found this video helpful, please make sure you click subscribe and you comment down there. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.